Hey guys, so today's video is different. I won't be doing a tutorial or a DIY. I'll be sharing with you where I got each of the following items and how much they cost. The seaweed will be posted on a separate video as a tutorial, so stay tuned for that. So the next four items I got from Dollar Tree, and their prices range from $1.25 to $1.50. I went in the beginning of March, which is why I was able to get my hands on so many good items that I usually don't get my hands on, because by the time I go it's already mostly all sold out. These white plates I already had from a previous party, but you can find those at Dollar Tree as well. And this metallic purple table cover is from Dollar Tree. I got 3 of these, and then as well as these cups, I got 10 of those. They had many different styles of cups when I went, but by now they're probably already all sold out. The finishing touch to the look I was going for was this mermaid theme dinner plate, which I think they call it iridescent because of the way it shines in the light. It's such a beautiful touch that it gave to the whole thing, as well as these napkins. I got these 2 items from Superstore. The time that I went, they didn't have many items, but today they had even the cake plates and as well as cake napkins. So for $2.50, and they come 10 a pack, I believe. I think it's worth it because it doesn't feel like a cheap paper plate. It actually feels like it is layered upon layered, as well as the napkins. It doesn't feel like it's a one-ply napkin. It feels like a multiple ply napkin. So I recommend these if you decide to go for this type of decoration. So for the cutlery, I went to Party City and found these. I don't know how to describe them, but they are so pretty in color. You would have to see it in person how it looks. It has kind of like a balayage type of effect. So the top part is teal, and then it fades into a dark purple, which fit perfectly with the mermaid theme. They come with 24 pieces, so 8 forks, 8 knives, and 8 spoons for $9, I think. So this backdrop is from Amazon. It cost me $35 with tax, and as you can see, there is no outline on Ariel, and then on all the other animals, the fishes here, they were just like one big blotch, and some of them didn't have eyes. So it was like a big mess. But what I ended up doing was going online and then printing out different types of fishes, from Finding Nemo, Finding Dory, and the Little Mermaid, cutting them out and then taping them onto the backdrop, which wasn't no big deal, but it was a big disappointment because I didn't expect the extra work, but in the end it still came out pretty cute. So this next thing is something I saw on TikTok, and of course I just had to get it. It's called Galaxy Projector Star Projector Sky Nightlight. Here on Amazon it says it's a #1 bestseller. As you can see here, it has kind of like a wave, like a water wave. So I used this in the center of the table, right underneath the reefs, and it made the effect look just so beautiful. And in the video you can't really see it, but in person it just lit up the whole room. I have high ceilings in the living room, and it still lit up the whole living room with kitchen, and it looked just very beautiful. So this last item I used is called Sea Animal Honeycomb Centerpiece. I used it across the whole table, and the idea was to hang this with fishing line to make it have that effect of under the sea fishes swimming around the table, but I just had run out of time and I wasn't able to do it, so all I did was tape it onto the seaweed, and then it still looked nice but not as nice as how I had imagined. The only problem with these is that the sticky things that came with it didn't really work, so what I had to do was tape over them and then add double-sided tape to get it to stick together, and this is how it looked. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how I did the seaweed, and also I'll be showing you how to do balloon animals as well. As you can see here in this video, how I did the arch. I'll be giving specifics and where I got my balloons, so stay tuned for those two videos. If you have any questions, like always, ask me in the comment section. I will do my best to answer as fast as I can. Like the video if it was helpful, share amongst friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to let you know when I upload new videos. Bye guys.